Indonesia is exploring opportunities for cooperation with Irkut Corporation in the production of the Yak-130 fighter jet. The Irkut Corporation is a Russian aircraft manufacturer. Presidential Chief of Staff Moeldoko held a meeting with Irkut Corporation and PT Dirgantara Indonesia at the Presidential Palace Complex in Jakarta, Thursday, November 3, 2022. Moeldoko said the government was always open to cooperation opportunities offered by foreign partners to Indonesia, including in the defense sector. Referring to the needs of the defense sector, the Presidential Staff Office supports and is ready to bridge the framework of cooperation that will be explored. Later, the end of the assessment will be in the policy of the Ministry of Defense, said Moeldoko in a meeting, as quoted from a press release, Friday, November 5, 2022. He conveyed that the purpose of the hearing between KSP, PT Dirgantara Indonesia and Irkut Corporation was to explore the potential and opportunities for cooperation in the production of the Yak-130 fighter jet. Moeldoko said the Yak-130 fighter jet has a good reputation because of its advantages. Not only is it lighter than other fighter jets, the Yak-130 also has a good control system and high resistance. Yak-130 is a good prototype for our Air Force, and it is very possible to explore this in collaboration with PT Dirgantara Indonesia, he explained. Moreover, there is an opportunity that the Yak-130 market is not only in Indonesia, but can be projected to the ASEAN market as well, continued Moeldoko,